Hello there, you're watching Lock Picking Legend, and just a little one for you this time. Do you remember in the last video I played a MASTERLOCK advert, and right at the beginning of it they showed a little clip. It was this clip here.
Remember this?
The MASTERLOCK model number 15 did not open.
MASTERLOCK padlocks were tough back then.
So it was referring to an old promotional video they made where they shot a gun at a padlock. Now I've found the original advert in its entirety, and I'll play that for you now.
With this high-powered 30 caliber rifle, we're going to try to blast open this MASTERLOCK model number 15. We blew a half-inch hole clear through, but the MASTERLOCK still holds tight. If you want to hold on to what you've got, insist on genuine MASTERLOCKs, known for being tough under fire.
They certainly are known for being tough under fire. Well, here's the weird thing. During my research, and I use that term very loosely, I found another advert where they shoot a MASTERLOCK. Have a look at this.
Sorry, MASTERLOCK, but it's a Weatherby.
I thought that was amazing. So Weatherby, who make guns, have done a pastiche, a parody no less, of the MASTERLOCK advert. And you know, and time is on Weatherby's side, because we all know that, you know, you're probably better off with a couple of cable ties than a MASTERLOCK. Allegedly. Look after yourselves. Got a fantastic response video coming this weekend. Look after yourselves. Thumbs up, subscribe, do a little dance, in out, okie dokie, the can. Here we go. La-di-da, Shangri-La, ta-ta.